Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the Care Western Washington Lawns. Today I'm in South Everett. It's Janine's lawn, and this lawn was really dry and just hammered. So what I did is I thatched it very heavily, and then I aerated it, seeded it, fertilized it, put on a wetting agent, W-E-T-T-I-N-G, wetting agent. And then I put on a 50-pound bag of a soil amendment. And the thatching with aerating, seeding, and fertilizing, I call that a full meal deal. And like I say, today is August 25th. It's about the hottest it's going to be now for a while. It's 77 degrees and temperatures are going to drop. And we're expecting just fantastic seed germinating weather. So I'm going to come back. I'm going to try to make it back here in about a month's time and just see how this lawn looks. Janine's going to be watering here twice a day. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Goodbye. Hi, today is February 13th, and I've just had a chance to get back and check out this lawn. This is a lawn that I had thatched, aerated, seeded, fertilized, and put some soil amendment on here. And it was looking pretty darn tough when I was working on it last time, but it looks like I made it through the winter just fine. It looks beautiful. And yeah, we're having a really, today's just a beautiful, beautiful day. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. Thank you. Bye-bye.